Yo, Jano. Yeah, man, that place little more than amazing, and I man, I step out on the front, you know. Yeah, man, we don't hope here. On the back half, yeah, virgin. Then we go secret place there. You see me? That place nice, man. Yeah. You know the veteran there with Jessica. Yeah. Yeah. Place, mad place, man. You know, white people down here, virgin, and black people too. See me? Yeah, I mean, I go out on the seaside, yeah, cause, you know, down here, you know, people are veteran, you know. You know, when I show you something, I just show you. Veteran, you know, man. Watch out here for stay now, coming from the hotel room, daddy. See me? See, Matcha. Matcha, you know. Boy, this is the place. Right in front of the sea, people. Now look at that. Look at that. Go down the seaside there to you. And a black sand this. Only in Jamaica you can find any color sand you want on the beach. And that one I never call black. Because the black is sand at St. Margaret's Bay. Remember that. Yeah, man, a veteran TV. You know the Monday morning here. I know me that hope here. Yeah, man, a China man, a veteran. Yeah, man. Otherwise known as the village reporter. Yeah, man, reporting to you live right now. From out of hope here on the back half. You see me? Port Anthony up. I may say Jamaica stay, so you mean Kingston City, the biggest. The Alti go be up. You know the rest of the village them follow up. You see me? Yeah, big up Portland same way. So I said Jessica, oh you mean? And big up Pineapple TV, you know, you mean? Shinaman the veteran. Top man a road, you know. Bang! Watch you know. Talk to the item later. See? Yeah man. I run the machine there, you know. Yeah, and I saw down the stay. Yeah, no. Veteran TV for you and for me. Eh.